never really planned on making a video today, or really even taking any photos. I was just feeling claustrophobic at home and I needed to get out, get some exercise, get some fresh air. So I headed up to the hills, and of course I brought my camera with me because I always do. And I've got to remember that you don't have to go on some big epic adventure 3-day backpacking trip into the alpine winter frozen wasteland to see beautiful things and to be kind of filled up with the joy of nature. You just got to get out into your backyard. It doesn't matter where you are, there's always something beautiful to capture. So here's an example right there. I'm going to stop and take a little time with the light on the grass showing through there. So see what that little tree is like. That might be worth a photograph. So here I've got this composition lined up for this cool tree. I'm shooting at about 150 millimeters f11, and I love the snow lines there leading up to the tree there, and then just the vast blue sky above it gives you a sense of this lonely perch that this tree is on. So I'll go ahead and take that shot and see how that turns out. So yeah, it feels really weird bringing you all up here to this spot. This was always kind of a quiet, hidden spot for me to go when I just needed my own space. But don't forget to check in your backyard, you know, places that are just close to your house, and go exploring all those hidden nooks and crannies. You'll find places like this that not anybody else really knows about. Last summer I came up at dusk and brought my camp stove with me, sat here and listened to the wind, and for about 45 minutes, just below the wind, I could hear a mountain lion screaming down in the valleys below me. It was pretty awesome. Yeah, these places are really nice. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today, and If you did enjoy it, please consider subscribing, share my channel with other people, and looking forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.